Yeah, so there are a few reasons why the metal sector is behaving this way, and one obviously is the China factor. But apart from that, the demand itself in India is not very encouraging, and we also know what are the supply side issues, especially with related to the raw materials. So unless we get clarity on the raw materials, and even when we get clarity, the cost structures are totally changing now, because earlier you were getting the raw materials on a nominated basis which were much cheaper, and now you would get the raw materials on the market price basis, and the dynamics of a lot of the projects are changing because of that, and that is why you have to build in that, and we would still like to wait and see how the space is unfolding in terms of raw materials. And as far as the demand is concerned, if we are getting an inclination of demand improving, then demand in related sectors like cement also is improving, so that might be a better space to play than the metals at the moment. Is already expected, especially the insurance bill and the GST. Again, the market expectation is maybe some progress will happen in this session, but definitely in the budget session it should be closer to reality. So that's the time frame market is looking at. In terms of land acquisition bill, I think the market is willing to wait for a bit longer, because that is more tricky, and people do know that it will take a longer time, though everyone knows that the government has the willingness to do it, but there are more tricky issues there as compared to the other two, where a lot of work has already been done. So all these expectations are already there, and it is not as if these expectations do not fructify, the markets would be terribly disappointed. They might be disappointed for a short term, for a day or two, or even for a week, but then the market is looking to refocus on growth, and wherever the stocks are or the sectors are where the growth is coming or the growth is sustaining, the market is willing to pay a higher premium even for that, because there are very few growth stories available anywhere in the region or even in the world. So wherever the growth is, the premiums would sustain.